Getting mobbed on the towpath here. I thought I could hear them. I looked at the duck catch and they weren't there, so spotted them out the window. Just had one try and peck my trousers earlier. I'm not quite brave enough though to take the food out straight out of the pot. Oh. Oh, getting braver. Oh, nearly knocked my pot over, mate. When people talk about getting mobbed on the towpath, I don't quite think they mean this. Very hissy over at the back.